This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Morris. Newly renovated condo in beautiful Aquarina Beach and Country Club. Luxury vinyl plank flooring, quartz countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms. Air conditioner replaced in 2017. Both the master bedroom and living room have access to a very spacious balcony. Enjoy this gated community located adjacent to the golf course. Amenities including tennis, fishing pier, boat ramp, gym, sauna, exercise facilities, beach club and deeded beach access. Only 5 miles north of the Sebastian Inlet. Covered parking underneath the building and boat storage available as well. Take advantage of this opportunity to own your piece of paradise in Melbourne Beach. For more information